The glory of charity, the past life of King Bali. Very few among us feel the true urge to give in charity. Most people don't realize the immense benefits of charity, so they live their lives without practicing it. Our ancient scriptures clearly declared that our desires are fulfilled through the power of righteous deeds or dharma. This is a story that shows how a person's life was completely transformed upon understanding this truth. It is the story of King Bali's previous birth. Everyone knows about King Bali, how he famously donated 3 steps of land to none other than Lord Mahavishnu himself. He is remembered in history as a noble and generous giver. But the reason he got such a great opportunity in that life was due to the merit or punya he unknowingly earned in his past birth. In his previous birth, Bali was a poor man, a destitute. He lived as a non-believer, constantly criticizing Vedic scholars and deities. Even though he was poor, he was obsessed with pleasures and women. One day, he gathered some luxury items such as betel leaves, perfumes, sandalwood paste, camphor, jasmine flowers, and other scented substances and set out to visit a courtesan. On the way, he slipped and fell, hitting his head hard and falling unconscious. While unconscious, he had a strange vision. He imagined himself offering all his fragrant items he was carrying to Lord Shiva. And while still in that vision, he died. Because he had imagined offering everything to God just before death, he received immense merit through Lord Shiva's grace. When he died, Yama's servants took him to hell. There, when Yama evaluated his sins and virtues, Chitragupta stated that the man had committed many sins and deserved terrible punishments. However, since he had imagined surrendering everything to God just before death, he was to be rewarded with the position of Indra, the king of heaven, for 3 ghadiyas, roughly 72 minutes. After that, he could be sent to hell. Hearing all this, the sinner realized the gravity of his past wrongdoings. He thought, if just imagining that I gave everything to God brought me such a result, how much more would I gain if I truly gave in charity? Then Indra, along with the gods and celestial maidens or apsaras, arrived and respectfully escorted him to heaven on the royal elephant Airavata. As soon as he sat on the Indra's throne, he generously distributed divine gifts to the sages. Airavata to sage Agastya, Uchchai Shravas to sage Vishwamitra, Kamadhenu to sage Vashishtha, Chintamani to sage Galava, Kalpavriksha to sage Kaundinya, and so on. All the sages were pleased and showered him with blessings. When the 3 ghadiyas ended, the original Indra returned. Upon learning that this former sinner had donated all the heavenly treasures from Airavata to the Parijata tree, he became furious. Just then Yama also arrived to take the sinner back to hell. But Chitragupta interrupted and said, because of the immense merit gained during those 3 ghadiyas, he no longer needs to go to hell. In his next birth, he will be born as a great emperor on earth. However, due to his previous sins, he will be born into the demon Asura lineage. Thus, in his next life, he was born as King Bali, who earned the divine merit of donating the 3 worlds in 3 steps to Lord Mahavishnu himself. He was blessed to become immortal and rule the netherworld or Patala forever.